There's nothing like a cool, refreshing breeze on a hot summer's day, and likewise it can be tremendously comfy to curl up in a warm location when it can be freezing outdoors. Obtaining a room air conditioner and heater proper in the comfort of one's personal house will allow you to experience this basic luxury. An air conditioner and heater will enable you to regulate the temperature within your home a lot more correctly than an electric fan, as an illustration. It is possible to set the thermostat to a temperature that you're most comfy in. This could be especially handy for when you find yourself entertaining. Surely you need to stay clear of a room full of uncomfortable guests. Comfort and convenience aside, it can also be a helpful tool for when you're sick. Regulating the temperature inside your household will help develop an additional comfy and hygienic environment. Those with allergies can benefit from air conditioners and heaters that reduce humidity. Most also have inbuilt air purifiers. You will also be defending your property and yourself from the pollution of the air outdoors. An in-house temperature regulation technique also makes your property quite a bit safer, as windows and doors can remain closed all the time. These items are competitively priced, so they are able to be an investment. This is especially true if you acquire a 2 in a single AN heater.